Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lip balm at home. First, let's gather our ingredients and tools. You'll need about 1 tablespoon of beeswax pellets, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and 1 tablespoon of shea butter. For equipment, grab a double boiler or a heat-safe bowl over a pot and some small lip balm tubes or tins. This easy method ensures a smooth, nourishing balm every time. Now let's get melting. Place your beeswax, coconut oil, and shea butter into the top of your double boiler. If you don't have one, a heat-safe glass bowl set over a pot of simmering water works perfectly. Heat the mixture gently over medium-low heat, stirring occasionally. It's important to let everything melt completely and combine into a clear, uniform liquid. This step usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more DIY tips. And on another note, if you love reading, you'll adore the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for diving into a good book, even while your lip balm cools. Check the description for a link to the Kindle and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once your base is fully melted, remove it from the heat. This is the fun part where you add your personal touch. Stir in about 5 to 10 drops of your favorite essential oil, like peppermint or lavender, for scent and flavor. Mix it thoroughly to ensure the oil is well distributed. Then, carefully pour the warm liquid into your clean lip balm tubes or small tins. Work quickly, as it will start to solidify. After pouring, let your lip balms cool completely at room temperature. This setting process can take anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes, depending on the size of your containers. Avoid moving them too much during this time to ensure a smooth finish. Once solid, cap your containers. Your homemade lip balm is now ready to use. Store it in a cool, dry place to maintain its consistency and extend its shelf life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.